more problems. And the themes are usually like a very big topic in our world that we have a lot of issues with. So that is what like fuels us to do. The themes for junior FLL and FLL relate a lot, but FLL emphasizes on more than just the theme. It focuses on
FLL focuses more on the real world problems, while introducing more concepts like core values, robot design, and project presentation.
FTC is way more different than FLL and JR.FLL because instead of working on core values and problems, you're now working on team building and you're using metal, and the themes are way different because now in FTC you have velocity vortex, relic recovery, and roller rockets.
in FTC, the themes change a lot because instead of like just using STEM concepts, you add STEAM concepts, which is basically just add art, creativity, uniqueness to your original concept and make something that nobody has ever seen. And the themes for 2016-2017 first Teamworks, 2017-2018 first Power Up, and then this year is Deep Space. So sometimes they vary, but sometimes they all have a common theme. It gives us many experiences and benefits. One benefit being it enhances problem-solving skills. Like for example, one experience we had a robot that was constantly tilting because we had to program it to not like operate by ourselves. And we used our knowledge from previous years and this year to come up with a solution to make our robot stop tilting. So we use our gyro sensor to make sure we get back on course.
Another skill and benefit that FLL gives you is confidence. Naturally, not all of your presentations will be just for normal judges. Sometimes you're going to be presenting in front of a large group of people like right now. And the more you present to people, the more you present to people who are in larger groups, the more comfortable you will become with public speaking. Therefore, you will gain public speaking confidence.
So first, we'll change you in many different ways, and it'll also make you very creative because throughout you have to make your team unique and you have to make them creative because judges don't want to see the same thing over and over again. Like in FLL or JR.FLL, you have to make your project different, you have to make it creative and show the judges something that hasn't been done before and create a solution that hasn't been done before. So first, you can use it in real life as well. If you have a group project, you can be more creative in a way to make your team or group stand out.
Another benefit is that you have fun while learning. Sometimes when you're in school, you just get bored of like the same thing over and over again. But with robotics, you can experiment and try something new. With Lego, like a very famous brand, Lego. But you don't have like, a lot of pressure on you because you're just experimenting and doing what's fun for you, or are you looking better with just stuff to play around or working. And it's also fun because sometimes when you like could be something you can celebrate, or when you fail, you can take a break and observe some different stuff. But you can do different things, try new things, and it's a hands-on activity. So you don't really have to rely on your phone unless you're like the last two companies, FTC, FRC. Then you have to use like advanced programming for Bluetooth to complete tasks. For the review, we're going to tap into our real world solution we chose this year, and the theme was space.
So the problem that we chose for this year was space, using Russian in space. And at first it may sound silly and weird, but it's actually a very important problem that no one really picks off of, but it's caused many casualties in space. And the reason why is because there's zero gravity, so sometimes you can end up with flying poop or pee everywhere. and it can get very unsanitary, very dangerous, and very annoying to clean up.
So our solution to space poop is SASSwood. So SASSwood stands for Super Advanced Space Waste Disposal. So
SASSwood is made of hydrogel 3.0 fabric, a waterproof fabric, shock-proof, water resistance, and other things that are very helpful to astronauts so they can use the rescue easily and comfortably without anybody else noticing.
So how our solution works is that before the astronaut needs to poop, the astronaut will turn on like the suction motor so that there's no air inside of the there's no air inside of the astronaut's underwear, and then the astronaut will poop and pee, and then the astronaut will turn on the suction motor again so that all the poop and pee will be collected in the waste collection bag, and then the astronaut will turn on the sanitizing motor so that the sanitizer will clean off the underwear, and then the astronaut will turn on the suction motor again so that all the remaining poop, pee, and sanitizer will be rooted away from the astronaut's body into the waste collection bag. That's it.
If there's any other questions about FIRST, please say
future
them.
applications. You forgot
Oh, yeah.
applications.
Some future applications.
So we forgot one thing, and that was the future applications. And some we can do are, so we can make separate chambers for the poop and pee because we can use the poop and make it into fuel. We can use the pee and make it as reusable water, people in space.
And another thing we can do is that even though our solution is made for space, it also has potential implications on Earth. Because it's so simple to use, all you have to do is flip a switch and turn off a switch. People who are bedridden, disabled in any way, people who have mobility problems can use this because it's just so simple to use. So people on Earth who are disabled can use this very easily.
That's the end.
You can see the other misunderstanding about robotics is everybody thinks this is robotics. Just you are going to build a robot and you will do that's wrong. From K to 12, the kids are learning a lot about the challenge. This year, their challenge was Mission to Moon. It is 2050, and President of the United States selected them. And they are told, since last 8 years nobody went to Moon, you are selected. You will go to Moon. You will stay over there 1 year, and you need to make a Moon village. And the kids are supposed to make a demonstration with the Legos, and they have to use motorized items, just like this. This is what we call VDO. And for VDO, the kids are supposed to program it. This is the interesting part. Can kindergarten students program it? Yes. They are allowed to use two sensors, and they are allowed to use switch, loop, any advanced programming stuff, just like high school or that we are learning in the universities. I will make a demonstration. I will just connect this. Okay.